Guys, it is July 28th, 2025. I gotta go change an oil tank for a guy. I was there doing a burner cleaning and this tank was starting to leak on the bottom. Usually you can tell on the bottom of the tank because the paint's kind of like the paint on the bottom of the tank's all missing, and you can see it's all kind of weeping and leaking from the oil. It leaks from the inside out, basically. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and give it the old swap-a-roo. I got my tanks. Some barrels here. Going through the filter. Filter's going through that filter, so I stop all the schmag that's in the bottom of the tank. I took these two clamps off already. They're both going to be 1.5 inches going out. I got to open up that hole going out through the wall there. But I'll put the oil in these barrels and get this tank out of here, put the new one in. Probably going to reuse that filter. We'll clean it up, see if it's good. If it's good, we'll reuse it. And put a new Firematic and a ball valve in here, and we'll reuse the oil line. To reuse this this vent line and just change the fill. I'm not sure yet. I'd like to do away with these if I can. Usually fill it up to the top notch and I switch over. Should have enough barrels here. It's 5/8 of a tank. Just temporary, putting it in the barrels. Oh, you're full of shit. Tipped it, I put a block under it, get a little so it tips it, get some of the schmag out of it. Still pumping. It's good to go through the filter to filter all the shit oil that's coming out of it. About it. I got it tipped as much as I can. That's it. Alright, so I got a ball valve and then I got a Firematic there. And 1/2 by 3/8 on the bottom there with a 1/2 inch elbow. 1/2 by 3/8 I put Teflon and pipe dope on all of that. So I reuse this filter, it's still fine. This is going to be done away with. This old style had a fusible link on the top. The new one's got a fusible Firematic there. Gauge alarm goes down in this way towards the front of the tank. And then I'm going to put a plug here and I'm going to fill in the back here. So when it fills, the float's going to be the opposite. A lot of these guys will put the fill, you know, the arm where the fill goes, and it'll blow the arm off. So you always want to put the arm as far away as the fill as you can. That's a good little tech tip. I did open that up there. I'm going to run my lines through and then seal it. I'm pumping it all back in. Pumping it, and I'm reversing the action back into the tank now. Then I gotta cut this beast up. A lot of work. A lot more work than I want to do, to be honest with you. Now on, the prices on these going way up. A lot of work, man. A lot of work. A lot of flipping work.